Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLyser's How To series. In this video, you're going to see how to manually add a trade and enable the metrics and insights for your execution. We at TradeLyser, we always recommend the auto sync up feature where you can connect to the broker, automatically sync all the trades and the executions are metric and insights will be created automatically. The second option would be downloading the CSV and importing it over here. But for some reason you want to do a manual entry of it, whether you want to do some paper trading and then you want to manually entry it out and analyze your metrics and insights, we have provided that option as well. Let's quickly see how we can do it. So head out to the account section, and in the add account, you can see in the list of brokers we have provided a manual broker. Eventually this is the test environment where you can click add a manual test account, any random name. Once you click on create account, it is going to create that account for you. Next step is to set as default. Eventually you can able to see a favorite icon next to it, which is indicating that this has been set as a default account. Now click on add trade at the top. This is the page where you're going to add your executions. So first select the trade type. We have provided options for stocks, options, futures. So let's go with stocks, and you can type in the name of the stock which you want to enter. So I'll go with the Reliance Industries. Then you can select your date, then the trade type, that's buy or sell, and then what is the quantity and what is the price at which we have purchased the trade. So we have options for fees, taxes and slippages which will be calculated also if it has been inputted, or we have provided an option in the settings where you can pre-configure it and it automatically takes it over as well, which I will show you to the next section. Now you can create another execution which is going to be the sell order. So eventually whatever the order type which you have started with, the opposite of it will be created so that it is for people to inputting it without any trouble in selecting the options. Now you can go with what is your sell or sell type, and if there are any fees or tax you want to include, you can include as well. And once it is done, you can click on save trade. So it is going to create all the details towards it. So basically it's going to create the journals, it's going to create your orders, trades, execution metrics, insights, reports, everything gets automatically created. Once it is done, you can click on close, head out to the dashboard, select your account, which is the manual test account, and you can able to see the executed order basically. So you can go for all accounts, which is going to show for all the accounts. So we have provided the option to go with individual account to see your metrics, or with the overall account to see all the details as well. Hope you liked watching this video. See you in the next episode. Thank you.